Evangelist Ebuka Obi Zion Ministry land in Imo State. Work is going on as we speak. Or if you are interested in buying land from 50 plots to 1,000 plots, 5 minutes to 30 minutes around the ministry. We have plots ranging from 1.5 million to 3.5 million per plot. Note, it's a native land. El Manala is 100,000 to 1.5 million depending on the amount of land you are buying. Listen to what he had to say on Facebook about what will happen around this location.
I am here to declare to you that the 100 days fasting and prayer this year, we end in Imo State in Ngor local government. Woo! Woo, 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 woo. Ngor, a village that nobody knows much. When I went there was no electricity. We become a very big city. When I went there, I saw some old houses. I saw no electricity, no wire. I saw no water. But watch how that place will turn around to be a bigger city.
Amen.
Because we are bringing everything that will make up a city there by the special grace of God. The youth of that region of Ngor will never know poverty again.
Amen.
Because they don't know the importance of this movement. They benefit them all. It will benefit the whole Igbo land, the Nigeria, and the Africa.